subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we'll try to understand conversion from any base number to base 10. So before that, why we are trying to understand this? As we have discussed in our previous class, we have discussed about all the different types of combinations that are possible with the four number systems that we have covered so far. It is binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So from these four number systems, the different number of combinations, the 12 different number of combinations that are possible for the conversion of one number system to another number system, we said that there is a common procedure for the conversion of one number system to another number system. So in order to do that, for example, if you are given with a number system of base x and if you would like to convert it into a number system to base y, so in order to do that, what we have to do is, the procedure is convert the number in base x to base 10, and the number that we have converted, the base x number has been converted to base 10, and this base 10 number has to be converted into base y. So this is the procedure that we have to follow given any number system. It may be a base 3 number system, base 9 system. We haven't covered what is a base 3 number system and what is base 9 system. Even though we don't know about those number systems, it is possible for us to convert from one number system to another number system. So which means given a number system in x can be converted into a number system in y. How to do that is, the number system in x has to be converted into a base 10 number system, and the base 10 number system has to be converted into a base y number system. This is the procedure that we need to follow in order to convert a base x number system to base y number system. So in the process of converting from base x to base y, the first step that we have to do is convert the base x number to base 10 number system. So the conversion from any base means it is x. Conversion from any base number system to base 10 number system. So in this class we will try to understand about this concept. It is conversion of a number system in any base to the number in base 10, so to the decimal number. How to convert a number in any base system to the decimal number system, that we will try to understand in this class. Previously, in our previous classes, we have covered how to convert a binary number to decimal number and a decimal number to binary number system. So in those concepts, in the conversion of binary number to decimal number, the procedure which has been used is sufficient for us to convert any base number system to base 10 number system. What is the procedure? So we will try to convert all these number systems into base 10. Okay, so we will try to convert. First we will take this number which is in binary, it is 1010. In order to convert a number in a base, a number in another base to decimal number system, or we have covered already a binary number to decimal number system, what we have to do is we have to sum the positional weights of each and every digit. So the concepts of positional weights and all these concepts were previously covered in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our course is going to be a part of, in our channel is going to be a part of a full course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have deeper insights of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to the conversion, in order to convert a binary number system, so this binary number system to base 10 number system, how to convert is sum all the sum the positional weights of each and every bit. What is the positional weight of this bit? What is the positional weight of, find the positional weight of all these bits and sum all those positional weights. We are going to convert a binary number to decimal number. That procedure is sufficient for us to convert a number in any base to the number in base 10. Okay, now what is the positional weight of a bit or a number? The positional weight of a number is, how to find the positional weight? The positional weight of a number is number, means this 0 into base, what is the base? 2 to the power of position. So what is the position of this number? 0. What is the position? 1, 2, 3. So how to find the positional weight of a number? It is 0 into 2 power 0 plus, next we have to find 1 into 2 power 1. Next we have to find 0 into 2 power 2. And next, so we are trying to find the positional weight of each and every digit. So the positional weight of this digit is 1 into 2 power 1. The positional weight of this bit is 0 into 2 power 1. Similarly, the positional weight of this number is 1 into 2 power 3. Now sum all these values. 1 into 2 power 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 power 2. 0 into anything is 0 plus 1 into 2 power 2 is 2 and 0 into 2 power 2 is 2 power 0 is 0. So the sum of all these values is 10. So the binary equivalent of, the decimal equivalent of 1010 is 10 in decimal. So this is the procedure which we have already covered in our binary to decimal number conversion. This procedure the procedure that has been used here is sufficient to convert a number in any base to the number in decimal number system. Now we will try to solve all these examples one by one. So let's check the next number. It is 675 to the base 8 and we have to convert it into base 10. How to convert it? Find the positional weight of each and every number. It is, how to find the positional weight? Number into base power position. So what is the position? 0, 1, 2 power position. Now sum up all these things. 7 into 8 power 1, 6 into 8 power 2. So what is this? It is 384 plus 56 plus 5. So what is the sum of all these values? So 384 plus 56 plus 5, which is 445. So what is the decimal equivalent of 675, which is given in octal number system? Given the octal number system, how to convert it into decimal is, this is the procedure. So positional weight of each and every bit in the given base, sum of the positional weights of each and every digit in the given number system will get converted into a decimal number. So what is the decimal equivalent of 675? It is 445. Okay. Similarly, how to convert 1AF in 16? So the given number is in base 16, which is hexadecimal number. How to convert it into a base 10 number? So how to convert it is, F means it is 15 into 16 power 1 plus A means 10 into, so the decimal equivalent. So the discussion about hexadecimal number, octal number system, binary number and decimal number has been clearly made in our previous videos. So based on the assumption that you have already watched those videos, we are covering these concepts. It is 16 power 0 and the positions are 0, 1, 2. How to find the positional weight? It is number 15 into base power position. It is 15 into 16 power 1, 10 into 16 power 1 plus 1 into 16 square. 16 square is 256 plus 16, 160 plus this is 15. So what is the sum of all these? It is 431. So the decimal equivalent of 1AF given in hexadecimal number is equal to 431. Similarly, how to convert a 022 in base 3, 022 in base 3 to decimal number conversion? We haven't covered about this base 3 number system. How to convert a base 3 number system to a decimal number? The same concept will get applied. What is the concept? The sum of all the positional weights of the every digit in the given number is going to give the decimal number. So let's check that example also in the base 3 number system. So given number is 022 in base 3. We have to convert it into base 10 number. How to convert? Again, it is 2 into base power position. The position is 0, 1, 2 plus 2 into base 2 is the number, 2 into base power position plus 0 into 2 power 2. So 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So the decimal number conversion of 0 to 2 of base 3 to base 10 is 8. Similarly, what this number is? 176 base 9. 176 base 9. This base 9 number has to be converted into base 10 number. How to convert it? It is 6 into 9 power 0 plus 7 into 9 power 1 plus 1 into 9 power 2. So what this value? It is 6 into 1, which is 6, 7 into 9, 63, 9 square 81, 81 into 1 is 81. So the sum of all these numbers is 10 and it is 15. 150 is the decimal equivalent of 176 in base 9. So the decimal equivalent is 150. So this is how a number given in any base system can be converted into base 10. So in our next class we will try to understand how to convert a decimal number to any base number. So let's hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.